Okay, so to create this burn effect, what you can do is actually just decide exactly where you would like to create this burn effect, and then you will grab this lasso tool, Control D to deselect if you don't like the shape, but make sure the shape is not it's just a random shape basically. And then if I go to layers, and here let me resize this. Now here I will just click on mask, and now I'll click on Control I to invert the mask, and now here I'll double click here and add a drop shadow. All right, and now of course I can increase this distance. I can also go to filter and add a displace. I can go to filter and add some and go to stylize, add some diffuse. Now this will be added to the image, but we want this to add to the, let's see if we can. Okay, we can. And then we add this to this mask. All right. You also select a mask, click on here, and just do like this. And then of course decrease the size. Now you can just make sure you add more wrinkles, more just on the shape so it looks more natural. And if you click on X, we'll change the foreground to background, and now you can add more shapes here. Now I like to change this, and yeah, so you can make this more realistic. You know, it's also good to have a model, something so you can make this look more realistic. So, and now here let's add a new layer, and let's right click and create the clipping mask. And now I'm just gonna paint around this area. And of course we need now the soft, and now we can just add here more burned here, more here, here, and then different colors. You can also go with, take the smudge, like that, or the sharpen tool, then click on the mask. Basically just trying to add some more realism. You know, so adding this black, different parts, it's a good idea. Alright, so that's how you add a burn in Adobe Photoshop. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.